Polypack specializes in end-of-line packaging for the nutraceuticals industry, so your system is built for real plant conditions. Whether you're bundling bottles or cartons, the goal is the same: consistent packs, smoother changeovers, and a line your team can trust. We start by addressing your challenges. Do you need a high-speed machine with a small footprint? We translate those requirements into engineering drawings and prove out the concept with samples. Then your machine is built right here in Tampa Bay, Florida, from fabrication through final assembly. After installation, our support continues with parts, training, retrofits, and service to keep performance strong long-term. Polypack has operated this way for over 65 years, with over 9,000 machines installed worldwide, supporting both global brands and growing startups. Tell us your product, your target speed, and your space limits, and together we'll map the right end-of-line solution for your business.